In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a passkey from your Google account, and the entire process will take just about 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step together so you can feel confident and secure while doing it. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you use to access Google. Once you're on your browser, locate and click on your Google account profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to your account's main settings page. On the left-hand navigation panel, click on the Security tab. This section contains all your account protection and sign-in information. Now, scroll down until you find the section titled How You Sign In to Google. Under this section, click on Passkeys. This will take you to the page where all your saved passkeys are listed. For security reasons, Google will ask you to verify your identity. Enter your password and click Next to continue. Once verified, you'll see a list of all the passkeys associated with your account. Review the list carefully and identify the passkey you want to remove. When you find it, click on it. You'll see an X icon appear next to it. Click the X to remove the passkey. Google will then ask for confirmation. Simply click Remove to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully removed a passkey from your Google account. This quick process helps you maintain control of your account's security. Remember to review your Google security settings regularly and remove any outdated or unnecessary devices or passkeys to keep your information safe.